Whether you're transporting oversized cargo in the back of a truck or luggage on the roof of your car, ratchet straps are a smart way to ensure everything remains safe and secure. Here's what you'll need. First, you'll want to choose the right strap and tie-down accessories for your particular cargo needs. Ratchet straps come in a variety of sizes, brake strengths, and working load limits, so be sure to match the appropriate strap to the items you are transporting. Most ratchet straps are 2 inches wide and come with hooks, rings, or other special connectors on each end of the strap. To set up the strap, you'll loosely place it around the cargo, making sure it's not twisted. Then, open the ratchet to access the take-up spool, also known as the axle. You may need to press the release lever or release catch, usually a small handle near the top of the ratchet. Now, feed the strap into the housing's lower slot, called the mandrel, and pull it tight, leaving only a few inches of slack. Once the ratchet is set up, confirm the hooked ends of the strap are securely attached to the attachment points of your vehicle. Then, move the ratchet lever up and down until it reaches the right tension. Once the strap is tight, close the ratchet to lock it into place. Then tie down any loose ends to prevent flapping in transit. To loosen the strap, pull and hold the release lever. Now, open the ratchet so it lays flat, taking the pressure off the strap so you can pull it free. And be sure to store your straps with the ratchet closed and locked to ensure they'll be in an optimum condition the next time you need them. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.